So guys, look what happened to this Rubik's Cube when you whop it on your hand. Okay, this is the Rubik's Cube and I'm gonna whop it. You guys, look what happened. Right now this Rubik's Cube is back up, but guys, when you whop it your body heat, then guys, this Rubik's Cube will turn normal. But guys, you can also put this freezer and whop it that way too. But guys, this color changes from black to normal, and it keeps starting over again. So guys, you have to wait until this color gets black, and so this is called the Pimpation Cube. So you can change this color from black to normal. And so guys, if you want to get the Pimpation Cube, probably go to Target and get your own Pimpation Cube right now. So guys, do it. So guys, comment down below if you like the Pimpation Rubik's Cube more. So guys, I'm enjoying today's video, and I will see you next video, and peace.